We got a 2017 BMW M2 on the lift. This thing is a sweet beast, all right? Great car, but the M Performance exhaust is not holding up. The last guy had a crazy aggressive tune on it. As you guys can see, it's cracked pretty much everywhere. Cracked on the Y pipe, cracked on the pipe right here. M Performance, not really holding up. So this pipe completely broke. As you guys can see, completely split. It had the valves and everything on it, but it, like I said, just not holding up. It's a sweet setup and very expensive, but not holding up. So the material or the fabrication, or maybe just the aggressive tune, it was just cracking the pipes. So what we did is just bypass the muffler completely. We're gonna tuck up the valves for them so they don't hang, and then run some bypass pipes with this factory Y, and then pop some dual 4-inch tips on there, which is gonna look pretty sweet. It's gonna look pretty badass, something like that. So this car is gonna be aggressive. The customer's gonna slap a downpipe on there in the future, and then stage 2 tune, all right, on a. So it's gonna sound pretty sick, and we're just gonna do something a little bit more reliable. Unfortunately, that M Performance exhaust is about $4,000, and like I said, it did not hold up. So G Exhaust solves problems like this, guys. If you don't wanna buy another $4,000 exhaust, we have cheap alternatives where it comes down to just chopping off the muffler, running some pipe, adding some tips, making it look sweet, and making it sound more aggressive. Obviously you don't have the valve control, but who cares? It's a BMW M2. It's meant to sound like a beast. So I'm gonna drop it, crank it, let you guys hear it. Let me know what you think. Got the BMW all done, got the M2 about to sounding like a beast, all right? I'm just gonna go through the system real quick so you guys know what you get when you buy an M2. So this is aftermarket, comes with a high flow Y. Usually there's one center inlet muffler with a dual split in the back, single mid pipe, usually some kind of resonator or secondary cat here. Not here, this is all upgraded. This part is factory. This has got this oval factory BMW pipe with a band clamp to the M Performance system. So this back, all aftermarket. It's technically a catback system, but it's kind of an axle back because it doesn't come with the full piping. So if you did decide to upgrade in the future, you got a down pipe, you got mid pipe, you got the axle pipe, and then you got the mufflers in the rear. We just did the Muffy D, bypassed the rear M Performance exhaust because it was all busted. We're gonna tuck this valve up for them so it doesn't hang or anything like that. And then, like I said, we just bypassed the valve control for now until he decides to upgrade the system. Maybe we just slap a dynon on there, or maybe do a custom catback or an axle back system for him in the future. Also, there's a bunch of different parts available for this car at gexhaust.com. So type in, 2017 BMW M2, year, make, and model. You could do air intakes, blow-off valves, intercoolers, stuff like that, all available at gexhaust.com. And if you have any questions, just reach out to us, man. We're taking calls nationwide. So we work on these pretty damn often. We've probably seen every setup known to man. And if you guys have any questions, just hit us up. Like, comment, subscribe, guys.
Wow.